this problem from complex number, and the problem is write pi to the power I in the form of A plus I. Okay, here we use two important results of complex number. The first is the general value of log z, which is given by capital log z. This is equal to log of mod z plus 2n pi plus theta into I, where theta be the argument of z and mod z is the mod z, right? And the second result is, this is the Euler form. This is Euler form of complex number, which is given by z. This is equal to r into e to the power I theta, and this is the polar form and this is the Cartesian form. Okay, now we write pi to the power I. This can be written in the form as e to the power log of pi to the power I, and by the property of log we write it e to the power I into capital log of pi. Okay, now capital log of pi, this is equal to, we write by using the general formula of logarithm, we get log of mod pi plus I into 2n pi plus argument of pi. Okay, now since pi is real and pi is positive greater than 0, so we get mod pi, this is equal to pi, and argument pi, this is equal to 0, because pi can be written as pi into cos 0 plus I sin 0. Okay, so we from this result we get log pi, this is equal to log pi plus I into 2n pi. This is 0. Here n must be an integer. Okay, n must be an integer, that is belongs to z. Now we put this value here, we get pi to the power I, this is equal to e to the power I into log of pi plus I to n pi. Okay, and multiplying by I we get e to the power I into log pi minus 2n pi, because I square, this is equal to minus 1. We use here because I into I, this is equal to I square. So we get e to the power minus 2n pi into e to the power I into log pi. Now we use the Euler form of complex number. We get, this is e to the power minus 2n pi into, this result can be written as cos of log pi plus I sin log pi. Okay, now we write this is equal to a plus I into b, where a, this means this is equal to e to the power minus 2n pi into cos of log pi, this is a, and b is given by e to the power minus 2n pi into sin log of pi. Okay, and here we write n belongs to an element of z, that is n is an integer, and this is the final answer of this problem. Okay, very interesting problem of complex number. Thank you for watching.